Hi, I'm Randall with V2 Properties, and today I'm going to show you how to change your air filter in your HVAC system. So the first step is you want to make sure you go up to the thermostat, turn the unit off. That way, when you take the filter out, you're not getting any dirt and debris into the HVAC system itself. Second step is you want to locate the filter, which is located behind this blank plate right here. It's as simple as just removing this blank plate. Just slides off, slide that out of the way, stick your fingers in here, slide the filter out. The old filter will show you the direction of the airflow. The arrow should always point towards the unit itself. You can just set the old filter out of the way, discard that later, slide the new filter in, same thing, arrows facing the unit. Once you get the new filter in there, just want to put that plate back on. Helps keep some of the airflow flowing into the system, seal up tight. And that's as simple as that.